Hi, I'm John McHale, EVP and Group Editorial Director with Military Embedded Systems Magazine and Avionics Design Newsletter. And I'm coming at you from the last day of the Aviation Electronics Europe show, which is also collated with the Avionics and Space Testing event here in Munich, Germany this week. I'm also on the advisory committee for the event and was fortunate enough yesterday to moderate a panel on the European Institutional Framework for Aviation, where we had major stakeholders from organizations such as Eurocontrol, Eurokai, and the European Aviation Safety Agency called EASA. Key topics discussed included how to integrate drones into the civil airspace and all the rules and regulations that need to come up with, because they still are still way behind in technology. Bureaucracy needs to catch up with tech. I don't know that it ever will, but they are cooperating more in Europe. And they also talked about how they want to leverage the military more in terms of cooperation when they make the rules and regulations moving forward for such issues as satellite navigation. Next up, the next day, I got to sit in and moderate a session on the Avionics and Space Testing event, where I was fortunate enough to sit with a couple of experts talking about how to automate testing from model-in-the-loop simulation on avionics and software compliance, all the way up to airworthiness of aircraft, where a gentleman named Erich Haslacher is pushing for an automated airworthiness compliance software system that'll allow stuff to be checked in real time, where right now a lot of stuff is done with pen and paper. It's really interesting and educational. On the exhibit floor, of course, a lot of the buzz was on the avionics flight systems themselves, on safety certification of hardware and software using regulations such as DO178C and DO254. Next year, the show is moving back to its normal location and time, which is still Munich, but it's going to be in March again, where it has been for most of the last decade. And I will be there as well, and I hope to see you there too. So thanks again, and see you at millembedded.com.